now that you saw how the unboxing went, if you didn't see that video, I am going to put a link so that you can watch it, how the unboxing ya silver crest ilienda. Anyway friends, welcome to my video. My name is Rachel and I do reviews, very honest ones. I cook, I do time and money saving videos. I also do workout and fitness videos because it is not always about the body, by motivating you. So I want to, it's a continuation of the last video that you saw, and I want to try the silver crest blender and show you how it works. I hope it will serve me right. I also hope to get more reactions, especially if you have it or if you bought it, and if you bought a different type, like the packaging is different or anything. I have a few things that I need to do using the silver crest blender, so let's do this. Please subscribe to my channel. Also thank you so much for being here. 3 videos in a week, Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays when I can. Let's do this. So definitely the first thing before you start blending anything, the power should be off. You don't want to put the juicer, the jug, and then urushwe nayo because you're not prepared. Ushtuke, you die. Bad joke. Anyway, on. So this is the part that I was telling you. Someone was saying it's a like a robot pulse. So if you do, you hear that, because the speed is high speed here, so it will blend on one hold. So let's put it on medium here, and then when you take it down and then you lift, it goes back. But now when you want to blend continuously, you take this on the left side, you take this on the left side down, okay? Pack ya kuweka. So this is already ready, ni ya kuweka tu kwa freezer. When I don't have the time, I can get one and mix. But if you are going to put anything fresh in the freezer, make sure that you put them when the quality is high. Okay, that doesn't make sense, but what I mean is just press the fresh ones and keep that. I have a lot of passion that needs to be pressed. Meanwhile, I have mulberries from the farm, and then I have strawberries. I'm thinking I can do some passion, mulberry and strawberry. Maybe I will regret this, because how do you expect this will taste? Oh, and also I have frozen ones. I want to see sizo zitakuwa kama ku crush ice. So I do some blueberries, some raspberries, and whatever berries that I have. Let's check what I have and then I add all of them here. Seems like sina option. I will have to use the fresh strawberries, because actually whatever 2 packs I was thinking is strawberries, ni raspberries. This is raspberries, this is raspberries, mulberry and mulberry. So because I don't have even this. Okay, these are also raspberries and these are grapes. I don't have. So we do some what is it called? We do the strawberries, the fresh ones. So I'll clean them with vinegar and then we move on. I added some raspberries there. Let's do some blueberries there. Clean my strawberries. This is my situation here. I picked my glass that I told you I can put whatever that I want because it is my glass. I don't know it is for putting what, but I know that it looks cute and this is nice. Okay, I don't know whether it is yummy. What do you think? Not sweet. Not sweet. I think it needs like a banana for it to be like smoothie like. What do you think? I think a banana will be good because it is lacking some sweetness. Everything I put there, okay, it doesn't need any lime. Definitely it will be very sour because I knew the raspberries italeta hiyo stingo. So I will need to look for a banana to put to make a whole complete smoothie. Also, when I was scavenging my freezer looking for frozen strawberries, I found these. He's in a what are they called, pomegranate from the farm. So since ziko in a icy situation, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes, we are going to blend them, see how it goes. Okay, make some power thingy going on there. So let me empty this and then we deal with that. Round 2, we do my icy test situation here. I will add water. I don't know what you think. Should someone add water or this is to cheat the checking? Also, this wasn't like super icy. So close it. Okay. You can grind it to super smooth because hata sijamaliza minute na unaona how it is. So simply, like, I don't really like care whether it's fake or not because definitely works nicely. So I'll put my flour here, but usually nikimake hata hot pancakes I don't do the flour, but I soak them in the water mayai for a minute and then it's perfect. But for this, grateful. You have seen how it functions and what I think about it. I have given you the views that I have about the whole silver crest. So continue to let me know what you think about it, especially if you have been using it, and I would really appreciate. Anyway, wish me luck in the journey of using the machine. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Rachel. In case you forgot, I'll see you in my next one, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays when I can. Bye.